This is Breathless Cabo San Lucas Resort and Spa, an extraordinary playground for socially sophisticated adults who love to meet and mingle or just relax and replenish. Want to play? We've got high energy happenings all day. And our trend-setting entertainment, live music, and celebrity DJs take nightlife to a whole new level. Or take a deep breath and reset. Gourmet cuisine and curated cocktails, endless, as often as you wish, whenever you wish, all wrapped up in unlimited luxury, because you deserve the best of everything. Live big, breathe deep, with the unlimited luxury of Breathless Cabo San Lucas Resort and Spa.